The time has finally come for me to try out Olaplex #3 on my fine curly hair. I've waited a long time to try this. I don't know why I waited so long because I've heard really good things about it helping to strengthen and tighten up your curls, and that has been something that I've been suffering with for a really long time, pretty much since I was pregnant with my first child. My hair just started changing. The roots were getting really wavy. They're not nearly as bad as they were when I first got pregnant, but honestly, they just had not reverted back to the way they used to be. So I'm just so interested to see if this is going to help. According to their website, Olaplex #3 Hair Perfector is a treatment, not a conditioner, that reduces breakage and visibly strengthens hair, improving its look and feel. Some of the key benefits are that it repairs damaged and compromised hair, strengthens and protects hair structure, and restores healthy appearance and texture. I plan to see how this works on virgin hair because all of the hair color I have had, which was from like 3 or 4 years ago, has grown out, or I've cut it out by now. So I want to see how it works on virgin fine curly hair, but I'm also planning to color my hair at home for the first time in a really long time, and I've heard great things about using this prior to coloring your hair. So let's get started with the treatment. I'm going to go off camera and get my hair wet, and then I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. So I just wanted to show you that I have rinsed my hair really well in the shower, but I'm not going to use my shampoo until after I use the Olaplex because it does say not to do that. I wanted to make sure I removed the majority of my product without actually using a shampoo, so I feel like I have done that because you can tell my hair is really frizzy. You get a really good idea of like what the health of my hair looks like without product. I don't know if this is good or not because I really don't leave my hair in this state, but there is a lot of frizz, and I'll also put some before and after photos to kind of show you exactly what my hair looks like dry with no product. I'm doing this just as documentation so that I can see what my hair looks like without product before Olaplex and after. So the directions say to use this 1 time per week. If you have damaged hair, use it 2 to 3 times per week. Apply it on damp, towel-dried hair. Apply a generous amount from scalp to ends until the hair is thoroughly saturated. Leave on for a minimum of 10 minutes, longer if desired, and rinse from hair, shampoo, and condition as usual. So my hair is not damp. You can apply it to dry hair, but what I'm going to do is use my favorite spray bottle that I've been using in like all my videos now. So I'm gonna kind of section off my hair and just get my hair really damp and start applying the Olaplex. I really want to make sure that I get especially this root area here. All this area that is stretched out, I am so excited to see if that actually brings that area back to life, and it'll probably give me a little bit of shrinkage, which is gonna defeat the whole onion juice growth experiment I've been doing, but I really just wanna see how this works. I'd rather my hair just be really healthy than worry about that growth stuff because that's something I know I can do. So I'm gonna start sectioning off my hair. My hair was detangled in the shower, just finger detangled. Just wanted it to be nice and easy, and I'm going to section this top half off and focus on the bottom half. So here's the bottom half of my hair. I'm going to take my spray bottle. And the good thing about this spray bottle is it gets your hair really wet really quick. So I can just feel like I just jumped out of the shower again, even though I did. I'm just gonna make sure those tangles are out first. So I've split this in half. It'd probably help if I take off the cap first. It smells pretty good too. It looks like it has a bit of a thicker consistency. I thought it might be really watery, but it's not, which is good because this is $28 and it's really small. I'm gonna plan to use this for the entire month. I think you can use it, yeah, 1 time per week. I'm not sure how many uses I'm gonna be able to get out of this, but I'm going to try and make it last at least a month. Okay, so I'm gonna start with that right there. And really get it close to my scalp, as close as I can, so that this area here gets the most love. I'm really just raking that in, making sure that it's evenly distributed. It does have such good slip. I love that. It makes my life so much easier. It feels like a really good slippery conditioner, but it's not a conditioner. Okay, so now this first section is done. I'm just gonna take my Texture Pro comb and comb through it one last time. And I'll go ahead and just put that little area away. Okay, so let's work on this top area here. I'm going to split this down the middle. Put this side away and make sure that my hair is nice and damp. Just kind of run my fingers through it a little bit. So I would say I'm using about a $50 sized amount for each section here. I would normally start at the ends, but because this is where my main focus is, I'm really making sure this area is saturated. And this is a bigger section, so I probably am going to need a little bit more. Especially since this is what I see every day. I see the front of the mirror, not the back of the mirror. So I want to make sure that these curls are nice and tight. And now I'm just going to get this right out of the way and move on to the next section. Okay, so now that all of these sections have a little of the Olaplex, I'm gonna maybe just do a tiny bit more all over and take these sections down and just make sure that everything is evenly distributed. I feel like I have some dry patches back here and I don't want that. My hair texture has changed. It used to be a lot tighter. Part of it could be because of the hair length and because I have not had a proper trim in a long time, like 2.5 years. And that is happening soon, I promise. I just really have not taken care of myself. I've been focusing on my children right now. This is kind of why I'm doing this whole video, is because I want to start taking better care of my hair, better care of myself. I'm just ready to take care of me. Okay, I feel like my hair is thoroughly saturated now, like the bottle said. So I'm going to clip this back and put on my disposable shower cap. It says you can start with a minimum of 10 minutes. I've seen a lot of YouTubers and people use it for 30 minutes. I think I want to just go for 30 minutes and see what happens, because I really feel like I'm going to see some dramatic results, or at least I hope so. I would be so happy to know this is what was going to take care of all these texture changes. This whole time I could have just used Olaplex. That's what I'm hoping anyway. We'll see what happens. Some people actually use a deep conditioner on top of this. I don't know if I need to do that. I think I'm not going to, because I just deep conditioned this week already. So I'm just going to leave this on as is and go in the shower, rinse it out, do my shampoo and conditioner, and come back to show you how it looks after it's been rinsed out. So let's pop that cap on there. Let's see what happens in 30 minutes. Okay, so I'm fresh out of the shower and my hair is soaking wet. Let's assess how my hair looks wet, if we notice any differences here. I think I should zoom in, but as far as the top goes, I'm not seeing too much of a change yet. That could all change. I feel like maybe the curls are starting a little higher, but I do think it's still a little flat here, but I'm not sure yet. I'm still kind of assessing here. It's gonna be really hard to tell. Right now I'm not seeing too much of a difference. I feel like I see that good wave happening right there. And I don't know if that was there before. I feel like it's usually a little straighter right here. So that could be a good sign of what's to come. So what I think I'm gonna do is add my styler, see if I notice a difference in the curls then, and then let it air dry and take some photos of it. Okay, so the product's in. My hair is somewhat towel dried. I feel so washed out on camera right now with no makeup or eyebrows. But we're gonna let this dry and I'll show you how it looks. Oh my God. Are you seeing this? I'm saying my hair was about 90% dry, which means it's probably going to shrink even more, but there are curls in places I haven't seen curls in a long time. Let me just flip and zoom in on this. Doop, doop, doop. These little areas here, they used to be really wavy and they're so much curlier. All this area in the front, look at this. Do you see, like, my baby hairs have little tiny ringlets? What? This is incredible. Look it. Remember how it was so stretched? There are tighter curls there. This little area here, I think I might have missed a spot, so it's not tight there, but most of it is. I am so impressed, like so impressed. I can't even believe all I had to do was try this Olaplex #3 and that was going to spring my curls right back to life. Like there's a lot of bounce in these curls. I can actually tell that my hair needs a trim a little bit more now because there are some really dry areas on my ends here, and that just tells me I do need that trim. But it kind of looks like I got a haircut and I did not. I mean, I'm so impressed. So there is no doubt in my mind that the Olaplex #3 does something for curly hair. It definitely will help with the elasticity to help spring back those curls. I'm experiencing shrinkage, but that's what I've wanted this whole time. I've been trying to get just my curls back to their normal curl pattern, or at least close to it. I think it's like almost there. So I'm excited to keep trying this every week. I don't know if this bottle's gonna last me. Let's see. I guess I'm like here. So that's not terrible, but I just really want to be able to stretch this out for a month, see how it does on my curls. Like I said, I am going to be coloring my hair, so I think I will be treating my hair with the Olaplex as well. And that's about it for this video. I'm so glad I did this. I'm so glad I got to share this with you all, especially those of you that have fine curly hair, that have postpartum hair texture changes, that have been trying to get your curls back. Those of you that are transitioning, this is probably a great product to add to your curl cabinet. I'm just gonna make sure that this is always a product that I have on hand when I need it. If you liked this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on those notifications so you are properly notified of when I post new content. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.